Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my tiny kitchen. My name is Velie and I really want to show everybody out there that you don't need to have a big fancy kitchen in order to cook comfort delicious food at home. For my first video, today I'm gonna show you how to bake the easiest and delicious homemade bread. First step, put your water in the bowl. Remember, this has to be warm water, not cold and not hot. It has to be warm. Put your yeast in there, sugar, and what I'm going to add is just a little bit, about a half teaspoon of flour in there. Then I'm gonna get myself a whisk and just whisk it all together. You will see in about 5 to maximum 10 minutes that this will start having a bubbles on the top. The yeast will activate, and that's the time where we're gonna start putting the flour in. This is how it should look like, guys. Now we're ready to proceed to the next step. Now I'm just putting my oil into the flour and I'm adding a pinch of salt, a little bit more. So mix it all together. And guys, do you know what the best part of this recipe is? If you feel that the consistency is not right, you just add a little bit more flour or a little bit more water until you feel that it's actually right. You can never get it wrong. So now we are ready to go. I take this bowl and I put it directly all in there. We gently mix it all together until it becomes a good consistency for us to start shaping the dough, and it should be in a very soft dough. So I just transferred the mixture here and I dusted some more flour, and you start kneading, and there is really no good, wrong or right way to do it. Everybody is doing it in a different way. You just have to be patient with it. So after about 5 minutes, our dough is already smooth and soft, and it looks like this. And now it's ready to transfer in our bowl and let it rest for about half an hour. Put it in the warmest place in your house. Just do like that. A little bit. Put the dough, turn it around, then cover it and let it rest. Welcome back. Our dough has already doubled the size, and now we have to take the air out of it, like that. Transfer it again. And don't be tempted to put some more flour in here. Just shape it for a little bit quickly. And then we're going to transfer it directly into our baking tray and let it rest again for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm saying 20 to 30 minutes just in case you live somewhere warm, but if it's winter or it's cold, where are you at the moment, just let it rest for more. So our dough is ready. It does not have to be the perfect shape, so don't worry about it. Anyway, it will change once it's going to the oven. Just shape it somehow. I just transfer it here, and I'm gonna make like that on the sides, and I'm gonna dust some flour over it. Be very gentle. That's my baby. Let it rest again. Our bread is ready now to go into the oven. And look at that. While I was waiting, I preheated the oven on 180 degrees. And this has to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. And welcome back. Our bread is already baked. I can't wait to show you how it looks like. Look at that. Look at the color, look at the crust. It looks so yummy and it smells so yummy. There is nothing better than the smell of the freshly baked bread. I wish you could smell it. But the good news is that you can actually make it now at your home. Thank you guys for watching my first video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you will make it at home. And please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.